Hi friends, I am going to show you something new. Yes, it is the mobile cover and the flip cover. Yes, exclusive from Amazon, and I am going to show you this. And by the by, with it, I am going to introduce this thing to my YouTuber friends. So see this is COD means cash on delivery. I am on due. Yes, I am rubbing here. Yes, you can see here. Here is the address. Yes, shipping to. Here is the total address. As I have shown you previously in various cases. Here is the barcode. As the previous, I am showing you this, and here the others peripherals. The barcode, and by the by, all the here and all the others are here. All the peripherals are here, and see it is each exclusive and only, and I am cutting it with my scissor. Yes, and yes, here cut, total cut. And now I am opening this packet. As I have said you, it is a flip cover, and I am going to show you this. These thermocols are used for to prevent the outer edges and tight effect. Yes, I am going to cut it. Yes, I am going to cut it for the correct measure opening. And yes, the thermocol 1, the thermocol 2, and yes, here these thermocols are here. See these thermocols, 1 inch, less than 1 inch depth thermocol are used here. Here is the bill as previous. The bills are here. The bill is here. Yes, see the bill. Yes, Amazon.in, A to Z, arrow, and here the word. Yes, invoice number, the billing address, and all is here. Yes, it's the memo, and by the by I am showing you the all is here. The price is also here, you can see it. Here I am going to open the case now. The case, it is a leather case, leather flip cover for Oppo F-Face. Yes, the magnet is here. See the magnetic touch. Good premium quality leather is used. The case and the leather. Yes, see professional cases. The case is also here. I am going to show you more than this. Yes, see the main features here. Top to back protection. Yes, this here the protection is here. It is made in China. Though it is made in China product, but its quality is really premium. It's really premium product. See the card holder and photo holder here. This is ID holder, and upper 3 lines are card holder. See credit cards, you put the credit card here, 1 2 3 I have shown here, and here you can put your ID, means photo. See this, and now I opening the sponge. Yes, see where the mobile is to be put in. See here, it is a clear pack, rubberized pack, and over leather finish. Yes, I am putting my mobile here. Yes, I am putting my mobile here. See, This is left. No, 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 no. It cannot be done. It cannot be done because it has a back cover already. So I have to open this cover. Yes, I am going to do this, and I'm going to do this, and see, I have opened the back cover, and after the opening of back cover, I am inserting the mobile. Yes, very easy here. It is inserted. Quite good look, nice look. See the size, but you can see the upper side. It says something of loving, but it is for the phrases. But see the premium looks here. Yes, the camera is very goodly protected here. Nicely protected camera here. The camera is nicely protected here. See all the parts, all the sides. See here, the phone is open now also. Yes, here at the upper side I am right. I think the pressing for some time will be made it right. Yes, to do so. Yes, that's now bye bye today.